The underground.
Where were you the night of the 25th? Huh?
Huh?
Where were you the night of the 25th, huh?
Where was I on the night of the 24th? Where was I the night on the 8th?
No, I'll tell you where you're gonna be on the night of the 25th.
Where?
You're gonna be at my album release party. VIP, Graham. You see that? VIP, Graham. Got you. It's my album release party, Pop. I finished my album. So we got a big party coming up in South Street Seaport.
Got a party?
Yeah.
What is this, one
'Cause I know-
sound?
That's my record label, I told you.
One sound.
One Sound. You remember I gave you the business cards?
I think I threw it away.
You threw it away?